हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू शॉर्ट हैंड विद विनय। ये डिक्टेशन 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट पे होगी और इस डिक्टेशन का पैसेज प्लस जो टफेस्ट आउटलाइन है दोनों के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए हैं, आप वहाँ से चेक कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। द प्रेयर in the petition is for quashing / setting aside the award dated 19/2/2020 published on 12/3/2020 made by the Industrial Tribunal / Further relief has been sought for restraining the respondents from proceedings against the petitioner - company pursuant to the aforesaid award / para. The facts appearing in the present petition is that the company was engaged in the business of manufacturing of geared scooters and had an employee strength of more than 6,000 employees, including staff and workers. Around the late 1990s, in view of the significant change in the consumer behavior towards motorcycles as opposed to scooters, the company suffered substantial losses. On inability to arrange fresh working capital, the company was only able to achieve partial restructuring in the year 2005. However, in view of the rapid erosion of the company's net worth, a reference was filed before the Board for Industrial and Financial Restructuring under the provisions of the Sikh Industrial Companies (Special Provisions) Act, 1985. In the proceeding of BIFR held on 8/5/2007, an operating agency was appointed to prepare a revival scheme if feasible. Para. The workmen of the petitioner - company restored to strikes and demonstrations with effect from 27/2/2006, which paralyzed its functioning, and a lockout was declared with effect from 7/3/2006. In order to salvage the company's business, the management of the company and its workmen, represented by the registered union of the company, namely Lohia Machines (LML) Karmachari Sangh, engaged in protracted tripartite discussions and arrived at settlement on 13/4/2007 before the Additional Labour Commissioner, Kanpur Region, Conciliation Officer and Additional Labour Commissioner (IR) UP, Head Office Kanpur. It is stated that since the inception of the petitioner - company, and at the time of the negotiations, the interests of the workmen were represented solely by LMLKS. In terms of the aforesaid settlement, it was decided that the workmen would withdraw the strike and the lockout would be lifted with effect from 15/4/2007, that the petitioner - company will take steps to revive the establishment, and only such number of workmen shall be taken on work and employment in phases as per requirement of work and production, as far as on departmental seniority basis, and all other workmen, save and except those who were required to resume work and production, shall stand laid off. The settlement further provided that the laid off workmen would be entitled to receive lay-off compensation in the manner specified. Para. Thereafter, the lockout was lifted with effect from 15/4/2007 and the settlement was implemented. However, a small splinter group of workmen describing themselves as LML Mazdoor Union, which was neither a registered nor a recognized union, filed a writ petition number 25445 of 2007 seeking to dissolve the settlement, which petition was dismissed by this court. Subsequently, by means of a reference order dated 21/5/2008, the state government suo motu referred an industrial dispute for adjudication to the Industrial Tribunal. Full stop para. The respondent number 3, LML Mazdoor Ekta Sangathan, was granted a registration certificate on 18/1/2008 under the Trade Unions Act, 1926. Full stop. The registration certificate issued to the respondent-union was challenged before this court by way of writ petition number 5903 of 2008 and writ petition number 13658 of 2008. Full stop. The aforesaid petitions were allowed on 21/4/2008, holding that since all the members of the respondent-union are laid off employees, therefore, the registration was granted de hors the statute. Full stop. The special appeals, bearing numbers 834 of 2008 and 833 of 2008, filed by the respondent-union came to be dismissed by this court by a judgment dated 1/2/2013. Full stop. However, specially petitions filed against the aforesaid judgment passed in the special appeals are pending before the Supreme Court, in which the effect and operation of the order dated 1/2/2013 has been stayed until further orders. Full stop.